Yes, I. Greetings again, not the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the first. You see? I don't know. Condolences goes out to the fans and the family of the great Maradona. You see? You know? We all mourn the loss of a great, you see, Diego Maradona. But today, I want to big up King YELLOWMAN and Big Stone. Seeing for no selflessness. You see, Ono now is a definite reflection of Jamaicans, true Jamaicans, and what the culture stand for in the beginning and the first place. Very charitable and, you know, reach out to each other, help out each other. You see, when I Labor Day, everybody used to clean the whole road and whitewash it and think government now have nothing to do with that. You see what I say? But I see a video I go around from where there with Big Stone them a push with a little girl named TRACY-ANN RICKETS Rasta. You see? And don't know, kinda ashamed for no say it's still a go on, you know, without any form of progress whatsoever. You know, see, little girl full of hopes and her family full of hopes. Same way, I full of hopes. So, you know, see, because you know, Jamaican public feel like the right people them not here yet. See, for offer some assistance, render some assistance, Rasta. Them the breed are suffering. When me go play for in a minute. You know, see, that not really, I mean, it's not acceptable, especially if you're a young teenager like that star. Little girl look like she in a pain till she'll lose all her mind. You know, see it. Rasta me ask them to step out, man, and so on can do $5 man and help out the man them Rasta. You know, see, I know you shed cross the little light here with the video where the man them doing a little protest type. I think not really a protest, but it's like them look funding from the government and everybody or anybody who can assist. Our government, what they see, man? I want them to say, none of you no pick up on what go on in a little girl life. None of you no pick up on what girl, like somebody suggesting a Big Stone comment said, I just a plane ticket for go to Cuba, you know. Just a plane ticket because from Cuba see her, Cuba nah charge she nothing in a Rasta. A Jamaica. Yo, politician you know wicked now and selfish and disgusting in a Rasta. You know see, Andrew Oldness. Yeah, all of your friends them run around and jump around and skull dog and try to cover on the tracks when it come to corrupt mentality and these and some of the money on the thief. Tough tan. You can't just buy the little girl a ticket and send her to Cuba and after the nothing more Rasta and too mean and dirty. And say, yo, I'm telling you, that's why I love Kappa, you know, because Kappa never play with you, you know. You know, see? Yeah, man, Dennis Bart, man, are the greatest. You know, see? I mean, I stop rubbing it on my face and telling you, do something, you know what, hey. I say, I'm glad me and none of you never friend, you know, none of you never want, me no want, none of you no obligation, you know, none of you never do nothing for me yet, you know. You know, see? Fire burn no man. Step out and do something, man, in a disgusting set of, you know. Anyway, more bless. Watch what I go on, people. Share it, please. I make it, just share it. You know, see it, I make it reach to the relevant ears or the right ears, man. We can't have this go on, Rasta. We can't have that. Even I, man, can't have this no more, Rasta. My heart weep. You know, see more bless, more prayers for TRACY-ANN RICKETS and her family. Bless them. Yeah, just watch a little video and you know see it. Yeah man, blessings. Watch a little video Rasta if you not touching the heart, boy, I'm telling you no. But alright, John.
Mommy!
For your mercy,
I'm tired.
You're tired.
I'm tired. I'm being daddy. Mighty God.
Until I lay my head, oh, I will sing. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me.
Oh God.
All my days
Help Holy
I've been
Tracy.
held in your
Help Holy Tracy.
way.
Help Holy Tracy, please. And Almighty. Help me pick the them. Help me pick the them. Help me pick the them, God Almighty. We can't take it. Help Tracy. God Almighty. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Help Holy Tracy. Oh God. Help Holy Tracy. Please, Jamaica. Please, don't you want it, I beg you. Please, don't you want it. Don't you want it, I beg you. This little girl is dying. Almighty God. Please. 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 Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Dr. Christopher Doctor. Please. Have a heart. You know you have victims. You know you have children. Lord Jesus. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Every single one. Christopher Tupton! Dr. Christopher Tupton! And this little girl! Dr. Tupton! Have a heart! Have a heart, Dr. Tupton! Have a heart! 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 Have a heart!
And all my life you have been faithful.
Jamaica, thank you very much for your support. Jamaica, you have stand up for this little girl. You don't even know her, but you stand up. You stand up. Let's reach out. Let's support TRACY-ANN Ricketts. Please, go to the GoFundMe. Go to the bank account. Help Tracy. She needs it. We are the voice of TRACY-ANN Ricketts. We are the voice of TRACY-ANN Ricketts. She cannot speak. She don't stick in the hospital. We are the voice of